So we have when we pretend that we have a two market, like we're trying to decide on two goods, good X and good Y. So we have good X and good Y. So there's a preferences that, does he want a good X more or does he want good Y more? So the way you find that, to find his bang per buck, you find the MRS, which is the marginal rate of substitution, and it's going to be a ratio like X over Y. And in order to find the bang per buck, he wants his preference, X over Y, X amount of goods to Y amount of goods, to be equal to the price of X and the price of Y. This is basically bang per buck. It's finding the best, so
find out how much he wants of X, how much he wants of Y, and then if whatever ratio is better based on the prices.
Yeah, it's like it's hard for me to go into more because then it just gets confusing. Yeah. For example, like you can find the demand for X. Demand for X equals so it'd be PXY, price of X times Y over the price of Y, and that's his demand for X. But that's beyond. I think that's beyond what you guys need to know.
What she had said, I don't know if this is kind of the same thing, but marginal utility of X over price of X.
Mm-hmm.
Compare that to the marginal.
That's what the marginal.
Okay.
That's exactly what this measures.
So, like, for example, if his marginal utility from the first unit of X is 100, and the price for that is 10, whereas the marginal utility for Y is 48, and the price is 6, you're gonna have a bang per buck of 10 for the X product.
Marginal utility of what?
48 and 6.
48.
Yeah, 48 and 6. This is just kind of an example she gave us.
So it'd be 10 and 7.
So, although
Or
10 and 8.
Although X is more expensive, the bang per buck is higher.
That's where marginal utility comes in. We know that we're getting, so this is 10. So we're finding our utility per dollar, basically, is what you're finding. And so you know that you're getting marginal utility per dollar equals 10. And our marginal utility per dollar equals 8. So we're going to choose 10 because our marginal, that's how I like to think about it, per dollar. How much utility am I getting per dollar?
Right. That's the one he's going to choose,
That's
the one that's higher.
Yeah,
like.
it's easy.
Rather than the one that has higher utility.
So let's say that now the price is still 10, but now his marginal utility for the second one is 70. What's he going to buy now?
He'll buy the first unit of Y.
Yeah, because now his marginal utility per dollar equals 7, where here it equals 8, so he's going to buy that now. Now let's say this goes down to 36. Now what's he going to buy? He's going to buy this, because marginal utility per dollar equals 6.
It's pretty straightforward.
Yeah, that's it.